mathematics classes. The first chapter, knowing our numbers, exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. The first question, write the numbers using commas. First bit 11245670. 11245670. So comma after 3 digits, comma after 2 digits, then comma after 2 digits. It is a 8-digit number. It is 1 crore 12 lakhs 45,670. Second bit 22402151. Again, it's a 8-digit number, comma after 3 digits, comma after 2 digits, comma after 2 digits again. It is 2 crores 24 lakhs 2,151. The third bit in first question 30608712. Again, it's an 8-digit number. So comma after 3 digits, comma after 2 digits, and comma again after 2 digits. It is 3 crore 6 lakh 8,712. Now the fourth bit 19030 8020. It's a 9-digit number, comma after 3 digits, comma after 2 digits, comma again after 2 digits. It is 19 crores 3 lakhs 8,020. So these are the 4 bits in the first question. Now going to the second question, write the numbers in words. We need to write the numbers in words. First number is 34,025. THIRTY 30, FOUR 4, THOUSAND 1000, and TWNTY 20, FIVE 5. The second bit is 6-digit number. It is 7 lakhs 9,115. SEVEN 7, LAKH lakh, NINE 9, THOUSAND 1000, ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, 115, FIFTEEN 50. Then the third bit 33639, 9-digit number. It's a 9-digit number. It is 47 crores 60 lakhs 370. It is 47 crore 60 lakh 317. Then the fourth bit in second question 336, 8-digit number. It's a 8-digit number. It is 6 crore 18 lakh 7,000. 18 lakh and 7,000. So these are the two questions. We completed the second question. Now let's go to the third question, where by reading the numbers in words, we need to write them in figures. First one is 4,57,400. So for 4 lakh Let's put 4 for 4 lakh. Then we have 57,000. 57,000. Then 400. 400. So comma after 3 digits, comma after 2 digits. It is 4 lakh 57,000 and 400. The second bit 60 lakh. So we have 60 lakh. Then we have 2,000. 60 lakh. There is 0 at 10,000. Then we have 2,000. Then 775. 775. It is 60 lakh 2,775. 60 lakh. For 60 lakh we put 60 lakh. There is at lakhs place there is 0. Then there is 0 at 10,000 place. We have 2,000 straight away. Then we have 775. Be careful while writing these numbers. Then the third bit 2 crore. So simply let's write, we need to write 2 for 2 crore. Okay, it's a 8-digit number. Let's begin with 2 crore. When we start writing that number, you have to just write 2. 50 lakh. So for 50 lakh, we put the 50 there. There is 0 at lakhs place and 5 at 10 lakhs place. So it is 50 lakh. We write 50 there. 2 crore 50 lakh 40,000. We have 40,000 at 10,000's place we have 4 and at 1,000's place we have 0 again. So 40,303. 303. There is again 0 at 10th place. So a comma after 3 numbers, comma after 2 numbers, comma after 2 digits again. So it is 2 crores 50 lakhs 40,303. Be careful. 2 crore for 2 crore we write, we note 2. Then for 50 lakhs 50 50. So at lakhs place there is 0. At 10 lakhs place there is 5. So that makes it 50 lakhs and 40,000. 40. At thousands place there is 0. At 10,000's place there is 4. So it makes 40,000. Then 303 at tens place again it is 0. So the fourth bit in third question 60 crore. 60 crore. 60 as we know. Okay, at 10 crores place it is 6. At crores place it is 0. So it is 60 crore. Then 60 lakh. 60 lakh. Again there is 0 at lakhs place. 60,000. 60,000. At thousands place again it is 0. Then 600. 600. There is 0 at tens place and 0 at ones place. So comma after 3 digits, comma after 2 digits, comma again after 2 digits. It's 60 crores, 60 lakhs, 60,000 and 600. It's a 9-digit number. 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9-digit number. So we complete these 3 questions in exercise 1.3. So children, exercise 1.3 we have completed these 3 questions. I repeat them for you. In the first question, write the numbers using commas. We have 8 digits. The number is an 8-digit number. It is a number in crores. So 8 digits are here. As we know in our Indo-Arabic or decimal number system, we put comma after 3 digits from right side. Then we put a comma after 2 digits, after 5 digits in fact, and we put another comma after 7 digits to differentiate between hundreds and thousands and lakhs and crores. So it is 1 crore 12 lakh 45,670 to read. The next bit in first question is again an 8-digit number. So after 3 digits from right side, a comma, then after 5 digits, another comma, then after 7 digits, another comma to differentiate again between crores, lakhs, and thousands. So it is 2 crores, 24 lakhs, 2,151. The next number in the series, it again is a 8-digit number. So we put commas after 3 digits, 5 digits, and 7 digits, making it or reading it easily as 3 crores 6 lakhs 8,712. Then the fourth question or fourth bit is a 9-digit number. So we put a comma as usual after 3 digits from right side, then after 5 digits from right side, then again after 7 digits from right side, reading it easily as 19 crores 3 lakhs 8,020. Now the second question, write the numbers in words. The first number is a 5-digit number, 34,025. 34,025. Second digit, second number is a 6-digit number. It's in lakhs, 7 lakh 9,150. The third bit is 47 crore. It is a 9-digit number, 47 crores, 60 lakh. There is nothing at thousands and 10,000s place. So it is 47 crores, 60 lakh, 317. The last and fourth bit in second question is a 8-digit number, 6 crore, 18 lakhs, 7,000. 6 crore, 18 lakhs and 7,000. The third question is asking us to write the numbers in figures. Write the numbers in figures. The number is 4 lakh. For 4 lakh, we note down 4, then it is 57,400. So at 10,000's place it is 5, at 1,000's place it is 7, at 100's place it is 4, at 10's place and 0's place or 1's place there is nothing. So it is 4 lakh 57,400. The second number is 60 lakh. For 60 lakh, we note down 6060 and 2000, 60 lakh 2,775. The third number is 2 crore. It's a 8-digit number. 2 crore. For 2 crore, we note down 2 first, then 50 lakh 5050, then 40,000 4040, 303 303 303. The next number in the series of third question, the fourth bit is 60 crore 60 lakh 60,000 and 600. So be careful while noting this down. Sixth class, chapter 1, knowing our numbers, knowing size 1.3. We have completed up to third question. Now let's do the fourth question. Fourth question, it's asking us to write the numbers in expanded form. The number is 640156. It's a 6-digit number. It is 6 lakhs 40,156. 6 lakh 40,156. 6 lakh plus 40,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 6 in the expanded form. The first bit. Then the second bit, it's a 7-digit number. It is 63 lakh 20,500. It is 63 or 60 lakh plus 3 lakh. This is 60 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 20,000 plus 500. Expanded form of 63 lakhs 20,500. This is 60 lakhs 3 lakh 20,000 and 500. So third bit, 3 3 6 3 2 5 6 7 8-digit number. It is 1 crore 25 lakh 30,275. Expanded form, it is a 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 crore. Then we have 25 lakh, 4, 5, 6, 7. 25 lakh. So it should be 20 lakh plus 5 lakh, 50,000, 500,000, 5 lakh plus 30,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. This is 1 crore 25 lakh 30,275. Now the fourth bit in fourth question. Again it is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digit number. It is 10 crores. So it is 75 crores 80 lakh 19,202. The expanded form, it is 3, 5, 7, 9 digit number. So it is 70 crore 7,004 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 70 crore. Then 5 crore 1,000, 50,000, 5 lakh, 50 lakh, 5 crore. This is 5 crore. Then we have 80 lakh, 800, 8,000, 80,000, 8 lakh, 80 lakh plus 9, 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 200 plus 2. This is 75 lakh 75 crore 80 lakh 90,202. This is 70 lakhs. This is 70 crore 5 crore 80 lakh 10,000 9,202. So this is 75 crores 80 lakhs 19,202. Fourth, that completes the fourth question. Now let's do the fifth question. Write the following numbers in short form, standard notation. Fifth question, first bit, it is 3, 2, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7 digit number, 1,000, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is 50 lakh. So for 50 lakh, let's take 5. Then this is 4 lakh. So it is 54 lakh. Then it is 20,000. 54 lakh. 28,524. Commas after 3 digits. Commas after 5 digits. It is 54 lakh. 28,524. The second bit in it, it's 5, 7, 8 digit number. It's a crore number. A number in crores. It is 6 crores 40 lakhs. 6 crores 43 lakhs 20,501. It is 6 crores 43 lakh 20,501. So there is 0 in thousands place. It is 6 crores 43 lakhs 20,501. Comma after 3 digits, comma after 5 digits, comma after 7 digits. It's a 8 digit number. 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit number. It's a number in crores. So third bit, 3, 5, 7, 8. It's a 8 digit number. It's a number in crores. First we have 3 crores and there is nothing or 0 in place of 10 lakhs. Then we have 3 in place of lakhs. Then we have 0 in place of 10,000, 7 in place of 1,000, then 8 in place of 100. There is an 800 there. Then it is 80, then 1. So comma after 3 digits, comma after 5 digits, comma after 7 digits. It is 3 crores 3 lakhs 7,881. Second, third bit, if you see in the expanded form, it is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. So it is 3 crores. For 3 crores, we will note 3. Then in 10 lakhs place, there is nothing. Then there is plus 3 lakhs. For 3 lakhs, we will put 3 again. At 10 lakhs place, we will put a 0. So 3 crores, 3 lakhs. Then at 10,000 place, there is nothing, that is 0 here. Then at thousands place, it is 7,000. So we will put a 7 here at thousands place. Then we have 800. So we will note 8 at hundreds place. Then it's 80 at tens place, so we'll note 8 at tens place. Then we have 1 at ones place, so that makes it 3 crores 3 lakhs 7,881. Fourth and the last bit in fifth question, 578. It's again an 8-digit number. It's a number in crores. 7 crore. It is 7 crore 70 lakhs. 7 crore 70 lakhs. If you see, after 7 crore, it's a 8-digit number. Then we have 70 lakhs, it's a 7-digit number. So in place of 70 lakh, we note a 7 here, and there is 0 at lakhs place. Then there is 0 at ten thousands place. Then we have 7 at thousands place. We have 0 at hundreds place, and 7 at tens place, and 0 at ones place. So our number is complete. Comma after 3 digits, comma after 5 digits, comma after 7 digits from right side. That makes it 7 crores 70 lakhs 7,070. So that completes the fifth question. Now let's look back again at fourth and fifth question. Fourth question was write the numbers in expanded form. In your textbook on page number 9, fourth question it is given. First number is a 6-digit number, 640,156. 156. It is 6,40,156. 6,40,156. Comma after 3 digits from right side, then comma after 5 digits from right side to differentiate between hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. So it is 6,40,100 plus 50 plus 6, that is 6,40,156. Now looking at the second bit, it's a 7-digit number. It's a 7-digit number. It is in 10 lakhs. The number is in 10 lakhs. So we have 63 lakhs 20,500. So 60 lakh, then 3 lakhs 20,000 plus 500. It is 63 lakh 20,500. The third bit in the series in the fourth question is 578-digit number. It is a crores number. 1 crore 25 lakh 30,275. We note down in expanded form. First 1 crore plus 20 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. We get the result 1 crore 25 lakh 30,275. Then the next number is 579-digit number. It's a 9-digit number. It is in 10 crores. So it is 75 crore 80 lakh 19,202. So we note down first 70 crores plus 5 crores plus 80 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 200 plus 2. We get 75 crores 80 lakh 19,202. Then the fifth question, write the following numbers in short form, that is in standard notation. It's given in expanded form. We know we need to write in the standard notation. So it is a 7-digit number. It's in 10 lakhs. So it is 50 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 800 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. So it is 54 lakh 28,524. 54 lakhs 28,524. The next number, second number in the fifth question, it is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8-digit number. It is in crores. So it is 6 crores 40 lakhs 3 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 500 plus 1. We get 6 crores 43 lakhs 20,501. Then the third bit in the series, it is again 3, 5, 7, 8-digit number. It is in crores. So we note down first for 3 crore we note 3. Then there is 0 at 10 lakhs place. So we note down that 0. We have 3 at 3 lakhs place. That is 3 lakhs is added there later. Then nothing is added at 10 lakhs place. So we put a 0 here. Then at 10,000 place it is 7. So 1000 place it is 7. We note down 7 there. Then at hundreds place it is 8. Then at tens place it is 80. So we note down 8 for that. And we have 1 at ones place or units place. So we note down that 1, making the number as 3 crores 3 lakh 7,881. And the fourth bit again, it's an 8-digit number. It is 7 crore plus 70 lakhs plus 7,000 plus 70. So it is 7 crore 70 lakh 7,070. So that completes the fifth question. Let's do the sixth question in exercise 1.3. The question is, which is larger among these two? Use greater than symbol and write. First bit we have 4 4,67,612. It is given there, the commas are there. So we can make out it is 4,67,612. Then we have the next number on the right side, it is 18,71,964. We need to compare these two numbers. Obviously you can see it's a 7-digit number and this is a 6-digit number. So 6-digit number will be smaller than a 7-digit number, and obviously 7-digit number is greater than the 6-digit number. This is 18 lakhs and this is 4 lakh. This is in 10 lakhs number and this is in lakhs number. So 10 lakh number is greater than the lakh number. Then the second bit in that sixth question we have 14 crore 35 lakh 10,300. This is a 9-digit number, comma after 3 digits, comma after 5 digits, comma after 7 digits, 100, 10,000, 10 lakh, 10 crore. So it is 14 crore, 35 lakh, 10,300. Then the number we need to compare is also a 9-digit number. 5, 7, 9-digit number. It is also a 9-digit number, 14 crore, 25 lakh, 10,300. So it is 14 crore 35 lakh and this is 14 crore 25 lakh. 14 crore 35 lakh, 14 crore 25 lakh. 25 is smaller than 35, so this number on the left side is greater than the number on the right side. 14 crore 35 lakh 10,300 is bigger than 14 crore 25 lakh 10,300. It is 10 lakhs more than the number on the right side. Now the seventh question, which is smaller among these two? Use less than symbol and write. So the first bit in that we have 200,015. It is 2,15,000. Sorry, 2,15,000. Then we have on the right side 99,999. This number is a 5-digit number. This number is a 6-digit number. This is less than 1 lakh, whereas this is more than 1 lakh or more than 2 lakh. So this is greater. 2 lakh 15 is much greater, bigger, more than double. 99 double the number 99,999. The second bit, it is 13 lakh 50,000 and 50. It's a 7-digit number, 13 lakh 50,000 and 50. Then we need to compare it with 13 lakh 49,785. The number on the left side is little greater than the number on the right side. It is 13 lakh 49,785 and this is 13 lakh 50,000. This is 50,000. This is 49,000. Obviously, you can see, you can make out, you can understand. 50,000 is bigger than 49,000. Then the eighth question: write any 10 numbers with digits 5 in crores place, 2 in lakhs place, 1 in 10,000 place, 6 in tens place, and 3 in ones place. Keep any digits in the remaining places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are given. Okay, so let's begin. We need to write 10 numbers. So 5 crore, we can put anything in lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. So it is in lakhs place, we need to mark 2. So it is 5 crores 92 lakhs. 1 in 10,000 place, and we can put anything in thousands place, and hundreds place also we can put anything. Now we need to put 6 in tens place and 3 in ones place. These are the numbers they have marked and asked us to put these same numbers: 5, 2, 1, 6 and 3. So this is the first one in the series. 10 numbers we need to write. So we have now say 15 crore 82 lakh 19,962 63. The underlying numbers we need to use the same numbers. So it is 15 crore 82 lakh 19,963. Then the third one, 25 crore, the 5 at the crores place. Then we have 92 lakh, 2 at the lakhs place. Then we have 1 at 10,000 place. We can put any other number of our choice at thousands place. We have 8 at 100 place. Then we need to use the given 6 and 3 at the tens and units place, making this number as 25 crore 92 lakh 15,863. Fourth one, 85 crore, 5 crore at the 5 at the crores place. Then we have say 1 at 10 lakhs place, 2 at lakhs place, making it 12 lakh. Then 1 we need to use as given, 1 at 10,000 place. Then we have 8 at thousands place, making it 18,000. We have 7 at hundreds place, 6, 3 at tens place and units place as given. So making this number 85 crore 12 lakh 18,763. Fifth one in the series, let it be 95 crore 5 at crores place as given. Then 3 at 10 lakhs place, 2 at lakhs place as given, making it 32 lakh. 1 as given at 10,000 place. We use 9 number of our choice, making it 19,000. Then we have 3 at 100 place, 6, 3 at tens place and at units place, making this number 95 crore 32 lakh 19,363. Let's write another number, 5 crore. Then we have 32 lakh. 2 should be used as advised at lakhs place. Then 1 at 10,000 place. Our choice number 5 at thousands place, making it 15,000, and 4 at 100 place, 6 and 3 at units place and tens place, making it 5 crore 32 lakh 15,463. Next one, again 5 crore, 5 again 52 lakh, 1 again making it 7 if we put here 17,563. Tens place, units place, given number 6 and 3. It is 5 crore 52 lakh 17,563. Next number, 5 again as asked, 5 crore 62 lakh 18,660. 63, 6 and 3 units 10th place as advised. Again, ninth one, another one, 5 crore, 72 lakh, 16,763. The 10th and last one in the series, 5 crore, 82 lakh, 15,863. So note down these numbers, children. So if we revise sixth, seventh, and eighth question, sixth question was which is larger among these two. The first one was a six-digit number. First number is a six-digit number. The number which is to be compared is a seven-digit number. Obviously, the seven-digit number is greater than the six-digit number. Then the next second bit in sixth question is 14 crore 35 lakhs, whereas the number to be compared is 14 crore 25 lakh. So 14 crore 35 lakh is greater than 14 crore 25 lakh. Then seventh question, which is smaller among these two. We have 2 lakh 15 and this is 99,999. So 2 lakhs is bigger than 99,000. Then 13 lakh 50,000. This is 13 lakh 49,000. So 13 lakh 50,000 is bigger than 13 lakh 49,000. Then the eighth question, write any 10 numbers with digits 5 in crores place, 2 in lakhs place, 1 in 10,000 place, 6 in 10th place, and 3 in ones place. Keep any digits in the remaining place. In the remaining places, we can put any number of our choice. So this is 5 crore 92 lakh 12,863. Then we have 15 crore 82 lakh 19,963. 25 crore 92 lakh 15,863. 85 crore 12,807 18,000 sorry 85 crore 12 lakh 18,763. Then we have 95 crore 32 lakh 19,363. The sixth one, 5 crore 32 lakh 15,463. Seventh one, 5 crore 52 lakh 17,563. 5 crore 62 lakh 18,663. 5 crore 72 lakh 16,763. The last one, 5 crore 82 lakh 15,863. That completes our exercise 1.3. Children, let's come back with 1.6, introducing to international system of numeration. We learn something new, so be eager, wait eagerly for the next topic to be learned. 1.6 section in your chapter, international system of numeration.